Everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding, amazing and very creative Christmas DIY craft ideas, Christmas home decoration ideas. So one by one, latest, gorgeous, stylish, amazing, outstanding Christmas home decoration and different decoration craft ideas. You can watch this video. So, viewers, Christmas is not only about decorating our home, it is about creating beautiful memories and spending time with family, sharing kindness, and filling every corner with happiness. Even the smallest handmade decoration can make a home feel warm and full of love. Now, let's enjoy this amazing Christmas ideas together and look at this beautiful design. It's amazing handmade creation and very useful and very cheap price. And it is a simple, elegant, full of holiday charm. You don't always need expensive decorations to make your home look magical. Sometimes the most beautiful decorations are the ones made with creativity, love, and imagination. Now look at this one. The color work perfectly together, and these soft lights, natural wood, ribbons, pine cones and little Christmas details create a peaceful winter feeling. Every decoration tells its own little story. And here comes another lovely idea. The design is perfect if you enjoy a cozy farmhouse style. Natural materials like wood, twine and greenery never go out of fashion. They make Christmas decorations look warm, timeless and welcoming. Now let's zoom in and enjoy the tiny details. Every small decoration adds something special. The careful arrangement, beautiful textures and festive colors make everything look even more magical. Look at the contrast, the brightness and the beautiful finishing. Small details can completely change the look of a decoration. That's why handmade ideas always feel unique and personal. And this next decoration is absolutely wonderful. It proves that creativity has no limits. With a little inspiration, ordinary materials can become something beautiful for your home. Christmas is not about making everything perfect. It is about enjoying the creative process. Every handmade project carries your own personal touch, and that is what makes it special. Now take a look at this beautiful ornament. It can decorate your Christmas tree, your front door, your table, or even become a lovely handmade gift for someone you care about. Handmade gifts are always filled with love because they come from the heart. Here comes another creative design. Is not it beautiful? Every color matches perfectly, creating a peaceful holiday atmosphere. Soft reds, green, whites, gold, and natural wood colors always bring the Christmas spirit to life. Sometimes people think they need to buy expensive decoration, but creativity is much more valuable than money. A simple idea combined with patience and love can become something truly beautiful. It's a very amazing and most beautiful, stylish, different. Now enjoy this neck decoration. Imagine it displayed in your living room, dining table, fireplace, or every entryway. Even a small Christmas decoration can make the whole room feel warm and joyful. Christmas reminds us to slow down, smile more, appreciate our loved ones, and enjoy simple moments together. Decorations are beautiful, but the happiest memories are made with the people we love. Look at this amazing craft. Every little piece has been placed so carefully. It shows how much beautiful can come from patience and creativity. Now let's continue with another wonderful idea. Every image in today's collection brings a different style. Some are modern, some are rustic, some are elegant, and some are cute and playful. No matter your decorating style, there is always something that inspire you. And now look closely at this design. The balance of colors, textures and decorations make everything look so relaxing. Christmas decorations are not only beautiful, they also create feelings of comfort, peaceful and happiness. Now let's start. Now let's enjoy. Every Christmas season gives us a chance to create new traditions. Maybe decorating the tree together, making ornaments, sharing hot chocolate, watching Christmas movies, or simply spending quiet time with family. Those little moments become unforgettable memories. I truly believe Christmas crafts are more than decorations, they are expressions of love, creativity, and joy. Every handmade piece reflects the excitement of the holiday season. As we continue watching this video ideas, beautiful ideas, and I hope you are finding inspiration for your own home. Maybe one design catch your attention, or maybe several ideas inspire you to create your own special holiday decoration. It's a very amazing, very useful and very creative Christmas home decoration and Christmas craft ornaments ideas. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. And thank you so much for watching my videos, supporting my channel, leaving kind comments and sharing your wonderful thoughts. Even I cannot reply to every comment because there are so many. Please know that I read many of them and I truly appreciate every single one. Your support means so much to me and encourages me to keep creating new videos for you. If you are enjoying today's videos, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends who also love Christmas decoration. And if you are new here, you are always welcome to join our growing community for more beautiful holiday inspiration. I wish you and your family peace, happiness and good health and countless beautiful moments this Christmas season. May your home always be filled with love, laughter, hope and wonderful memories. Thank you again for spending your time with me today, and keep smiling, keep creating and keep spreading kindness wherever you go. Have a wonderful day. Let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. It's a very amazing, very creative, outstanding Christmas home decoration ideas. Most beautiful, latest, stylish, different collection. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye. Thank you so much.